You want to go outside? Okay. For your sandal. Okay. Okay. Let's go. You want to go down now? Josh? Let's go. We'll bring your car. Where's your car? Where is your car? We'll bring your car. What is that?
Balloon.
Balloon. What color is your balloon? Purple balloon. Good job. You want to go outside? We'll go outside? Josh? Josh? You want to go outside? Come in na. Josh, the door is open. Come. M. Malabar balloon. Come. Go outside. Come here. Go. Oh, go down. Go down na. Let's go. Hey. What happened? Oh, don't touch. Dusty. Huh? Oh, you will water the plants? Finish. Mommy, finish watering the plants. Finish. Finish it. Well, I'm finished watering the plants. Who's? Finish watering the plants. We'll go to the dog. You will ride the car? Huh? Josh? Do you want to ride the car? What? Where are you going? What's that? Don't go there. Car. Oh, go to the dog. Which villa? Which villa are the dogs? What happened? We will fix you. What happened to your sandal? Wait lang. Okay. Ano ba ito?